Sloppy Riders, Sloppy A3C. Lucas is asleep, but yeah, today is actually going to be, I don't know, I might go out for a little bit, but yeah, I've bought a bike for Sabrina. I've actually already took the chain and derailleur off, you might not be able to see it, but I'm going to chuck a little time lapse in of maybe me just taking it apart, yeah, because the first thing I'm going to do is take all the stickers off, sand it, and make it a brand new colour, because I don't want this colour. I'm going to fully do this bike up. Came with good wheels, so we don't need to buy new wheels. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Yeah, I got the cranks off. I might get new cranks, because this one you can't really put a single speed sprocket, and it's a bit heavier, so I'm trying to make this as light as possible for her. And the only reason I did get a straight frame was because it's a lot easier to read a straight frame than you can't really see. There's my bike and there's Lucas's. My bike, he's got new bars, new grips, grip tape, got cranks coming, new bottom bracket. But yeah, my bike should be fully done soon. But yeah, right now I'm going to move on to the seat, bars, forks, because I'm going to put different forks on it so we can put a stem on it, because these forks you cannot put a stem on these ones. So yeah, let's get straight into another time lapse. So the bike has been fully dismounted. Now I'm going to take stickers, take the stickers off, clean it, sand it, which the sanding is not going to take one day, it's going to take more than one day, but yeah, I'm going to sand it, and then I might go and get the black spray paint today for when it's ready to be painted. So we've got everything off. We're going to keep the bottom back on because I can take it off, but there's no point, I'm going to leave it on. So right now I'm starting to clean it. I'm not going to fully sand it, I've just thought about that. I'm not going to fully sand it because the frame is actually really smooth. I'm just going to try find dents like this and sand them, and I might go and get the black spray paint today so we can do the first layer of black. Alright, so we took all the stickers off, and I'm just going to go down to Halfords and get some spray paint, and after I'm going to come home, sand it down. I'm not going to sand it all down like I said before, just going to go through the chips, see what's wrong with it, see what's not, then go for over a little bit, and then we're going to go paint it. I'm not going to put the time lapse on me painting because I'm going to do it in my bathroom, but in the next video it should be the clip of me sanding. I'm going to put a time lapse of me sanding it, and then after the clip after me sanding it, it should be done, painted. But it will only be the black, it won't be and I'll be changing colours from black to pink, from black to pink to black to purple, so it's going to be purple, it's going to be purple and then black at the back. So yeah. So yeah, it's all sanded. Now I'm just going to clean it, put a paint, get ready to prep the paint, and then it's going to be all black. When I get the other colour next week, then it's going to be black and purple. It's going to be so nice. So here we go. This is the black right now. So I need to add the purple, but yeah, it's come out nice and clean. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me get a flash for you real quick. There you go. I got it in gloss black. Looks really nice, man. Really nice. Oh, and I kept the bottom bracket on because it's got a plastic cover on it, so it's alright. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see a part 2, which is going to be adding parts. Lucas is there. Which is going to be adding parts. So yeah,
thumbs up for that, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn your notifications on, because this is going to be one of the videos.
There's a bike that's coming back to the video.
So yeah, that's it.